Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. If you are new, welcome. So I'm just going to get right into this video. Everything that you are looking at right now is what you will need to create your art. So I have my metallic spray paint, Mod Podge, and then I have two different glitters and then some confetti glitter and some crystals. Okay, so first you're going to want to spray paint your canvas. I do not remember what size canvas I bought. I believe it was 18 by 24. I'm not 100% sure, but it came in a packet too, and you can get these canvases as well as everything I just showed you before. All this I got from Michael's, and I think maybe in total I probably spent $30 for everything. And then also Michael has these coupons and stuff too, so $30 is not bad. So yeah, once you completely cover your entire canvas with this paint, you're gonna want to let it sit until it dry. I think by me letting it sit outside, it probably took I want to say maybe like an hour and a half. It dried fairly quickly by it sitting outside. And I just touched it up with my blow dryer real quick before I decided to add the Mod Podge. So here I am right now adding the Mod Podge. I had no idea where I was going with this. This is my first time attempting this. So I was just winging it. I was just rubbing it until I figured out which way I wanted to go with it. So I decided to just cover up like half of the canvas with the Mod Podge. And you want to make sure that you're brushing that paste flat. You don't want any like bubbles or clumps of that glue. You want to make sure that you're brushing it down flat as possible. So that's what you'll see me doing here. And like I said, I'm just winging it right now. You guys can do it however you want, but this is the way I chose to do it with my first one. I ended up making two actually. So with this one, I just decided to just cover half of the canvas. Okay, so now I am adding my glitter. The glitter I'm using is the that one right there. And I'm just going to just sprinkle that on and just work my way up. And then I'm going to go into that next glitter, which is a little bit thicker. Oh my God, it's thundering. I hope y'all can't hear that. But I'm going into that thicker glitter. I think they're called like glitter palettes or something like that. I think that's what it said on the bottle. I don't remember, but as you can see, it's a lot thicker than the regular glitter. So now I'm going in with these bag of crystals. Honestly, these little crystals, they are a little pricey. They're about $8 or $7.99, same thing at Michael's. But I'm telling y'all, if you use these coupons, I got that bag for $4, sis. And so yeah, you're gonna sprinkle that all at the top or wherever you choose on your canvas. And then I wanted to add a little bit of color. Since my sectional is blue, I decided to take the little confetti glitter that I found, and that was only $1. And as you can see that they're all different sizes, so I just sprinkled it in my hand and just kind of picked out the little smaller one so it doesn't look so clumpy. And then I'm just gonna just finish just filling in whatever spots that I missed on the canvas. And just keep in mind that once this dry, every piece of crystal or whatever glitter you put on there, it's all not going to stick on there the first time. Once it dries, you're definitely gonna have to want to go back in. It's really thundering. You're definitely gonna want, I'm sorry guys, but you're definitely gonna want to go back in and touch the canvas up, but like you see me doing here. But yeah, so that's pretty much what you're doing the whole time. You're just adding glitter, adding Mod Podge, adding glitter, adding some more Mod Podge, and so on and so forth until you get your desired look. So I'm gonna be quiet now and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I got some more stuff for y'all, so stay tuned for that. I'm back. I'm going to be way more consistent on my channel. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Everything that you'll need, I'll be sure to link it in the description box. So yeah, I'm going to be quiet now. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.